Welcome guys, this is one of the simplest and most consistent profit generating strategy I have ever used. Now I'm bringing it to you guys. Now you need only two indicators, MACD indicator and moving average. But in the side of moving average, we have four moving averages. Do you understand? We have what? Four moving averages. Now I will show you how to set up the indicators and how to make use of this. Like as I said, this is a consistent profit generating strategy I have tested and I have used it, and it keeps on generating profit. Do you understand? So pay attention, understand every bit of this video, understand how these indicators are being set, apply it the way it is. Now this is the volatility chain index. The time frame is 1 hour time frame, and although I have applied this on forex and the other volatility and it works best, it works well, but I recorded higher success with this pay on volatility 10 index. Do you understand? So let me show you how to set up the indicators. So pay attention, copy it down so that you don't make mistakes. Do you understand? All right, so here are what the indicators: four moving averages and MACD indicator. Now the first moving average, here are what the parameters for the first moving average. The period is 50, shift to 0, method exponential, apply to close. Do you understand? Now the style 4 pixel, the color is red. Do you understand? So you can screenshot it or you write it down. This is what the first moving average. Do you understand? Right, here are what the settings for the second moving average. Do you understand? Second moving average, the period is 100, shift to 0, method exponential, apply to close. Now the color of the style is blue. Do you understand? Right, so the third moving average, the period is 19, shift to 0, method exponential, apply to close. Now the style, the color of the style is green. Do you understand? All right, now the fourth moving average, here what the fourth moving average, the period is 7th, shift 0, method exponential, apply to close. Now the style, the color is yellow. Do you understand? So that's all about for moving average. Now the next indicator is what? MACD indicator. So here are what the settings for MACD indicator. Fast EMA is worked 70, slow EMA 26, MACD SMA 2, apply to close. So here are what the styles. Do you understand? The main is color, the color is green, 4 pixel, signal 2 pixel, the color is red. So once you are done setting up the MACD indicator in this way, you click on done. Now let's move to the chart. I will show you how to make use of this indicator and record massive profit and the reason for each indicator. Do you understand? So here are what our charts. Do you understand? So here are what the MACD indicator, like as I said in most of my videos using MACD indicator. Now here from the cruxing of MACD indicator, here are what the cruxing for MACD indicator. So once you notice the cruxing this way from down upward, that is what a bearish trend, that is what a downtrend. Now look at the side of moving average. The candlesticks are below moving average, so two of these indicators must agree before you proceed. Do you understand? Both of them must agree. Do you understand? Before you proceed. Now this is how to make use of this. Once you identify that two of these indicators agree, now it is time to do what? Make your entry. Do you understand? Make your entry. Do you understand? Right, so if you check now, this is where the cruxing of MACD occur. This is where the cruxing of MACD occur. Do you understand? So from the side of MACD. This is where the correction occur here. This is where the correction occur, and from the side of this is where the candle is. Do you understand? Now your entry should be once the candlestick bounce back on the moving average. This is where your entry should be. Do you understand? Where the candlesticks bounce back on the moving average, that is the retracement. Once the price retraces back to moving average, there should be a what you are entering. Do you understand? And this is what a huge profit. Do you understand? So provided the MACD is still up, which is signifies downtrend, all your entry should be where the price bounce back on the moving average. Do you understand? So I have shown you the first entry. Here are what the second possible entry, where the price retraces back to the moving average. Do you understand? So here are what your second entry. Do you understand? And here are what another third entry. Do you understand? So it shows you where to make your perfect entry. See how the price retraces back. See how the price retraces back. So you need to wait when the price retraces back to the moving average. You make your entries. Do you understand? And you record massive profit. Here is what another possible entry for you to make and record massive profit. Do you understand? So the strategy is simple, straightforward, and also highly profitable. Do you understand? And this is what massive profit. Do you understand? So this is for downtrend. Here what for downtrend are you seeing? It is another opportunity where the price retraces back. Look at this point here. Do you understand? All right, here is another opportunity, as you can see, where the price retraces back. So your entry should be, in order to avoid your stop loss being hit, you must wait when the price retraces back. Do you understand? Provided the MACD is still agreeing with what the moving averages. Do you understand? All right, now here what for uptrend. Do you understand? From the side of MACD, I told you that both indicators must agree before you proceed using them. Do you understand? All right, so from the side of MACD, this is the correction from the side of MACD from up downward. Do you understand? And this is what the price are what above moving averages. Do you understand? So here are what your possible entries where the price retraces back to the moving average. Do you understand? All right, here are what your first possible entry where the price retraces back to the moving average. This is a possible entry here. Here is what another possible entry. Do you understand? So all your entry must be where the price retraces back. You see, all these are what possible entries. Here is another possible entry. Here is another possible entry. Here is another one. Do you understand? So that is it. Do you understand? And here is another. So guys, this is a high profitable strategies. Don't forget, this is OPTIMER FX, where profitable strategies are being shared. If you like the video, hit the subscribe button, share the video, let others benefit and change your trading history for good. Thank you.